Focus up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Innovate 10, 5.
3, 2, 1. Casting.
Interrupting tremor.
3,
Mating
2,
orbs.
1.
AOE incoming.
These arrows are missing.
Stop
Interrupting
casting.
tremor.
These arrows are hitting.
They got it.
AOE incoming.
Invoke the spirits in 15.
Or run.
These arrows are missing.
3, 2, 1.
Range rotate.
Watch your step.
These arrows are hitting.
AOE incoming. Or run. Watch your step.
These arrows are missing.
Arrow on you.
That's the sound of the police. Stand clear. That's the sound of the beast. Watch out. We run the
Grasp on you. AOE incoming. Watch your step.
Invoke the spirits in 15.
These arrows are hitting.
3, 2, 1.
No intermission deaths.
It's a father-son dance.
Debuff on you. Debuff on you.
Innovate in 12. Invoke the spirits in 15. Call
Ads
of
coming.
Lily in 15.
3 obelisks.
2, 1. 3,
Grasp
2,
on you.
1. 3, 2, 1.
AOE incoming.
Baiting orbs. Team grip. Arrows on boss. Range a little to the right here. A little bit Baiting further, we got a obelisk. straight puddle.
AOE incoming.
I need something.
Heals on case.
Heals on fail
And
too.
bail.
We got Bill.
Okay, we're hugging puddles range. Arrows on boss.
Ads coming.
Invoke the spirits in 15.
Watch your
Baiting
feet.
obelisks. Back left if we can range.
AOE incoming.
Baiting
3,
orbs.
2, 1.
We're hugging the simulacrum. Arrows on boss. Baiting obelisks.
Grasp on you.
Back if we can range.
AOE incoming.
I need something.
Heals on bail. Crossing in 5, 3, 2, 1. Cross. Arrows on boss.
Ads
Call of the
coming.
Lily.
Range, take a look at the simulacrum. And bait obelisk.
Okay,
Forward
but
range.
Really focus on hitting this, Cassia.
AoE incoming.
Invoke the spirits in
Personal if you're low.
15.
Drop.
Fading obelisks in 5.
3,
Range, we're hugging
Two.
the simulacrum.
1.
He's got a force. Force pushed in.
Yeah, pushing in 1%.
Okay, don't get knocked.
AoE
Ready for
incoming.
knockback now. Stay out. And in.
Invoke the spirits
3,
in 11.
2, 1.
Personals now.
3, 2, 1.
Everyone break.
Watch your step.
Keep moving the boss. Okay.
Watch your step.
Case needs God.
Watch your step.
Yeah.
AoE incoming.
Damn.
Move to tether in the middle. Stack on top.
Deep breath. Deep breath, friends.
Range break. Melee break.
Convoke the spirits
Change
devouring the
platform.
cosmos.
Tank break. One stack up. Nice and tight.
3,
Cross
2.
now.
1.
Obelisk to the left. Range break.
Grasp on you.
Stay alive.
Interrupt cast soon.
Watch your
Interrupting
step.
tremor.
Interrupt in 3, 2, 1.
Watch your step. AoE incoming.
Interrupt
Stay
cast
alive, stay alive.
Interrupting tremor.
Tether in
3,
5.
2, 1.
Okay, range break.
More you on.
Grasp on you.
Healthstone health pot. Healthstone health pot.
Change
Melee break.
platform.
Cosmos.
And tank
Invoke
break.
the
Everyone over.
spirits in 15.
We need you to be over in 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna do these
You're
tethers.
ignoring
We're gonna
it.
do these.
I'm
We're
dead,
gonna
I'm
do
dead.
I got the tether. You don't.
3,
be right tomorrow.
2, 1.
Stay alive. Range break.
Tomorrow, get Morium off. I got the boss.
Yeah.
You just pull Morium, okay?
Psychopaths.
Watch out for raid on Obelisk. Clear com, clear com.
Kill the boss.
All on boss.
Give me every external you can. Every external in the bucket.
Watch your step.
Good shit.
Great job.
it!
Love you.
Thank you, Rhea.
Yeah, seriously.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
GG's on the kill.
Really
The
appreciate
fucking
it.
died on the
We
kill
really
poll.
appreciate it.
There's no
Aaron,
way
me
I
too
got
tomorrow.
that fucking chat.
I was
Are you
streaking on that
kidding
poll.
me?
Hey.